Hello guys, welcome to our Jasmy technical analysis video. Must watch this video completely so you can get some great strategy in this whole video, and I am assuring you after completing this video you will have a awesome strategy in your hand on which you can backtest, you can practice, and you can stay profitable. Okay, so that's why joining and watching this video is necessary completely. Now, first of all, we will move with the volume spread analysis on weekly time frame. And weekly time frame, actually there was triangular pattern, and if this triangular pattern happens in this downtrend, then market usually breaks below, and that happened thanks to Trump uncle. He did that, and we have achieved up here. It was a huge disaster, a huge crash. Even no one predicted that. Even I was shocked. I was sleeping on my bed, and tomorrow when I checked the market, mm, my all trades was in sell side. Luckily, I did not enter anything. If you are my group members, then you must be familiar that always uh, given you that analysis that some big downside move is coming. And let me show you that exact point where I predicted that. So here, if you see, you can watch my previous video which is still available. Before the crash, market came below like this, and market tested this fair value gap, and here was evening star and bearish engulfing. I told you not to enter in the buy side because selling is there. I predicted, of course, this level that it's important, but I also entered in the sell side. I told my group members to enter in the sell side. By the way, you can also join our group. It's available with I think $20 per month. It's your choice. I don't force anybody. Now here, if you see, then sudden downside move happens, and if you are my old subscriber, you must be familiar that we don't enter blindly in any trade. So of course, if there is not any bullish pattern available here, we will not enter. And just look at this, what had happened in the market. Okay, so I hope this whole scenario is well clear. Now let's go on 4 hour, and let's see if this is now selling is coming or buying is coming, or what is going to happen next. For strategy, I use volume spread analysis method. That method is 100 years old. When any institution, when any whale, when any bank enter in any trade, he leaves some footprints behind those bars in the form of volume, because that big or high level activity cannot be hidden. If you are strong enough, if your mindset is good, if your instructor is great, then you will easily capture those institutional moves, and then you can align your trades with it. Now you can see volumes are increasing in down move and decreasing in up move, which means that this upside move is not valid and this downside move is valid. And market came down, retested this fair value gap area, and if we go into 1 hour, it will be much more clear that high volume came on this down move, then market tested this fair value gap. Maybe in 15-minute or 30-minute, it has formed any type of bearish engulfing pattern, and market goes downside. This is the simplest and most working strategy ever. I have achieved these profits by using just this simple strategy. And if you wanted to learn it completely, then you can join our volume spread analysis course on Udemy. Currently it's available with 50% discount, and anybody can take advantage. I used this balance and achieved this much, but each trade was protected by stop loss. Each trade was given by proper analysis, and then I followed it. Okay, for currently there is bearish pressure available, and market can touch this area 0.0091 area in the Jasmy coin. So don't enter in the buy side. Always try to look for bearish entries based on bearish fair value gaps. For the buy side, when market will go up, it will have increasing volumes. Then when market will retest, it will form any fair value gap, bullish fair value gap. Then based on some confirmations, we will enter from this area by placing stop loss here. Just simple strategy. And this is also called Elliot waves. And in the third wave, when third wave is going to be started, all the whales, all big players enter in the market, and they just book profit in the fifth wave, because when a high level player will enter, he will need a lot of liquidity, and you can easily ride that liquidity, and you can easily work with it.